Hey love bugs, welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck and I just feel like the ultimate Barbie today. I mean, it's a play on my name. It's like I'm Ashley Barbie. Welcome to Malibu or Orange County in real life. I'm also double fisting 2 coffees right now. My favorite from Black Dot, and then this one here is a caramel macchiato from McDonald's that was not delicious. So I'm gonna put that over there and switch it out. But look at this beautiful mommy here. Today I've teamed up with Amanda Hair and I sent over this gorgeous 30-inch curly wig. Now this is a lace front wig, so it's giving ear to ear realness. You can definitely play on it and give a little bit of baby hair if that's your zhuzh. I felt like it was so beautiful and voluminous. It didn't need baby hair at all, so I kind of just played it safe and did a nice clean hairline. This is going to be a straight out of the box start to finish install where we don't style the ends. We literally just brush them out and go, and that is a testament to how beautiful and amazing this one comes straight out of the box. So if you want to see how Malibu Barbie got this look, let's get started. Okay love bugs, so today I've teamed up with Amanda Hair and we've got a baddie on the loose. It just feels like this is going to be, you know, you can see the wig and you just already know she's going to be amazing. Look at that curl definition. When you comb this out, this is going to be fire. It almost gives like wand curl vibes. And then this is what she looks like. You have a center part there going, but you can definitely switch it up. Absolutely gorgeous. Only you guys know what it looks like already because you guys already seen the intro. And then when you turn her inside out, it's for sure a free part, so you can definitely switch it up and do that bust down middle part, a side part, half up, half down, whatever you like. Either way, it is a frontal. Here is a look at the nape. Super simple, easy, classic adjustable straps in the back with the comb, and then you also have the adjustable and removable elastic band here, and then you have the standard 2 combs here, and then you have that same comb or an additional comb right here in the center. Okay, so I went ahead and adjusted the straps as well as the elastic band, and now we can go ahead and put her on. Oh yeah, the curls are gonna give. The curls are gonna eat on this one. Even if we have to touch them up, I'm confident she's gonna eat. So this is a look at the hairline. You definitely want to pull that back. You guys can see here what the hairline looks up closely. I love a dark brown, like natural black, natural brown color. And this one's definitely giving that pop. Let me show you guys what it looks like from the back because my daughter, she doesn't believe I'm that girl, but I'm that girl. This is what the hair looks like from the back.
What's up, y'all? She is not that good, but she is.
You heard it from my baby. You heard it from my baby. Okay, this one is full of Voluminous. I think I already showed you guys the hairline. Absolutely gorgeous. Gotta kind of push it back a little bit. You don't want the what's her name, Teresa Giudice hairline. So this is what it looks like set as a center part, and then this is what it's like set as a side part. All right, I'm doing the dynamic duo. I went ahead and added the wax up top. I'm gonna save the front part because we still gotta cut off the lace, but I just kind of want to start getting the vibe and seeing what we're working with. Okay, let's go ahead and, you see how sleek that made that up top? I didn't do the front yet because I want to bond it down first and decide if we're doing baby hair, which I think we're not. But I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace because I've been yapping and I think I am about to start rushing. But what's new? Okay, I kind of cut the hairline a little bit wonky. I feel like it's been a minute since I've cut off excess lace, but it's gonna blend really beautifully. That's the best part. When it's not straight or too perfectly straight is how you get it to blend really good. And so we're gonna go ahead and belt it, aka bond it down, push it back a little bit. I'm not gonna do baby hair, I don't think, today, so I think I can pull the hairline a little bit forward. Okay, so we gave the hairline a nice little blow dry. Now we can do the dynamic duo up here, and also we can tint all the lace. So let's do all of that really quickly. That looks so good. I'm gonna set it with some powder. I can heat up this electric wand curler. Let's brush it out. Ooh.
Oh my god, like,
Now y'all, call me crazy, but I feel like a complete Barbie doll. Can you see me? I had to pull the camera back. It's giving Barbie doll hair, but real good quality hair. I feel larger than life. I mean, it's so good that I fired up the electric, not the electric, I call them the wand curler, and I'm feared touching anything up. I'm just not even gonna be able to do it justice. And honestly, you don't even need to add anything to it. Look at how nice and full. This is definitely party hair, concert hair, center of attention, literally main character energy with this one. I love it so much. Let me see if I can show you guys the back. This one is absolutely amazing. I mean, it gives my name Ashley the meaning. Like, I am Ashley, like Ashley the Barbie for real. So before we head out, I want to show you guys the packaging from Amanda Hair. This one here is a 30-inch, and they do go ahead and put that, I was gonna say that price tag, the length here on the packaging so you'll know. And then of course inside we got some goodies. So for this one we did get the Amanda Hair dust bag, super simple, cute, and classic. We got some really nice 5D mink lashes, and these are the good ones. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and drop these into the girls' makeup bag. I like to have a couple extra for them. Then we got these cute little puffs. These also will work perfect for the girls' makeup. I'm trying to get their makeup kit together. They also gave us the melt belt and does say Amanda Hair all over it. So as we're about to head out to dance, this will be perfect to put on my hairline. So as it gets late into the night, I don't have to worry about my hairline getting messed up. And then look at this. This is so 80s, 90s. This is so my mom. I'm for sure gonna keep this. I can't let the girls have this, and I can't share this with y'all. It's a big wide tooth comb, but my mother always had like a purple one like this. Her purple was her favorite color, so I gotta keep this one. It's so nostalgic, so cute. And then last but most certainly not least, there's this little envelope here, and inside there is a pack of HD wig caps. So don't miss out thinking that this is just language, but of course this is language, so you get like how to connect with them, cash back, and all of the above. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. I'm gonna be the most dramatic looking mom tonight at dance because 30 inches of goodness is nice and full and curly. You didn't even have to touch up the curls. And she was absolutely amazing, easy to install, flawless hairline. Chef's kiss, 10 out of 10. So of course I have a direct link and all the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.